Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the Woosh Blur transitions to your edits in CapCut. So here I've already prepared the clips to edit, and if you want to create the Woosh Blur transition, what you need to do is just click on the transition box in between the clip. Okay, so after that, click on the blur category. Then in here, find the Woosh Blur. Okay, this one. Just click on that and adjust the durations to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.4 seconds. Then click on apply to all if you want the transitions to all your clips. And click on a check icon and you're done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.